Hi, I'm introducing SAI Technologies capabilities on the Android developer phone using SDK version number 1.5. I'm going to show you our performer meter application which we've done, which gives you resources at the runtime, application, cellular, and device manager level. For instance, on the CPU, we're collecting data for the CPU. We can also collect data for your random access memory. We can collect data for storage. You can have your system data. You can also have your data and your SD card data. So you know exactly how much data you have left on your phone. You can check your battery, and you can also check your Wi-Fi status. Our next application that SAI Technology has done in their R&D is testing things for the rendering application using graphical engines. And we're doing some exploratory applications in this area. And you can see, let's try to get some multiple shapes rotating. There you go. We're also working with some of the contact lists and the videos where we can demonstrate multiple videos going on at the same time. And you can start one over here, start one there, start one there, stop this one. So you can see that we're doing some multiple rendering things using the graphics engine of the phone. In our next application, we're going to take information from our Android phone and demonstrate our data sync. We're going to send information to our SAI sync server. On another instance, we're going to be sending a picture to the Flickr account that we have, and in both situations we will be able to show the results through a browser. Our first example of our data sync application is to send some information from the Android phone to the SAI sync server. You're going to user to our server, and then we're going to pick either contacts, SMS, email, or something out of the file browser. In this case, I'm going to send a picture out of the file browser, and I'm going to sync that picture to our server. Yes, of course, I want to sync, and it's uploaded successfully. I'll also sync some, some text that we have. Sync that. Okay, and let's see. There they are. And that's an example of our SAI sync server. Second application and example of our data sync is with Flickr. We're going to send a picture to our Flickr account. So we're going to go into our data sync. In this case, we pick user and Flickr. And let's send, I always like the winter scene that we have. So let me open it so you can see it on the phone. There it is. That's what we're going to sync to Flickr. So now let's sync it to Flickr. Okay. And it should be there soon. It's a pretty large file. Here we go. Let's see. And there's our winter scene. SAI would like to thank you for watching this video and understanding our capabilities with the Android phone.